Google VEO 3 is a video generation model by Google, and it's already taking over the internet. It turns simple text into full videos with sound, camera movement, and even characters that talk. Most people think you have to pay to use it, but there's actually a way to get full access for free. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to use it, without spending a single rupee. First, open your browser and search for Google Cloud Skills Boost. Click on the official website. Then hit the Sign In button at the top right and log in using your Google account. Once you're logged in, tap on Explore. Now scroll down until you find a tour of Google Cloud Sustainability. Click it. You'll see a button called Start Lab. Tap that. After the lab starts, you'll get temporary access to a Google Cloud Console account. Right-click the option that says Open Google Cloud Console and open it in an incognito or private window. This gives you free access, no card, no payment. Inside the console, look for Vertex AI. If you don't see it, click the three horizontal lines on the top left corner, then tap Vertex AI, and under that, select Media Studio. Now inside Media Studio, you'll see the option for VEO. Just click it, and boom! You can now start using Google VEO 3 for free. If you need more custom control, switch to VEO 2, it gives you more manual options. You can even choose the video resolution and duration you want. Just enter your prompt, and in a few minutes, your video will be ready to download, totally free. That's it. Now you know how to unlock Google VEO 3 without paying a rupee. If this helped, drop a like, share it with someone who needs it, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI tools. See you in the next one.